Hello there, Data Recovery Guru here. Hope all is well. Today we received one of those SanDisk G-DRIVE Professional kind of external devices. Kind of looks like this. It comes in different capacities. It starts with the 4 terabyte all the way up to 26 terabyte. The one that we received from the customer is an 18 terabyte. This video is about how to open this SanDisk G-DRIVE Professional external drive and get to the actual hard drive. It's a little tricky. It's a little bit of a pain in the neck. We are doing the video because there's no video out there that's showing this. So basically, it's a sliding kind of system, right? With the G-DRIVE, the hard drive is in here. So basically, the way it starts, it has those covers on here. But before we get there, let's start with the first steps. So they have those screws on the side. They look like this. Okay, those are the screws on the side. So those come off first. All right, then once those come off first, switch on the back side. Remove those little sliding rubbers off the little screw holes here. Remove them, put them to the side, and then remove the 4 screws. They look like this. All right, once those are removed, you cannot, for some reason, just slide this out. What we need to do is actually remove those covers from the hard drive in order to let it release. There are clips on each side of the plastic. Tips over here. So if you were to use plastic kind of like tools, it may not work. So what we had to do is use an ice sesame here, and then to kind of like pry the harder plastic shells, we use a screwdriver, but be very careful in how you do it. We recommend starting with the back side because the hard drive is protected by this metal shield. But on the other side, when you remove it, you need to be careful because remember the hard drive is inside here. So with the hard drive, if you are to pry, you may damage it. So you want to be very careful about that. So take your time, and the clips are on the sides here. Okay. All right. This is kind of how it goes in. All right. So you pry it open, and then that's going to allow it to release. Once this is out, like this, there's going to be a couple of screws for those brackets that go here along the edges. Those have to be removed. It's 3 screws, 1, 2, and 3. Those come out, and those brackets come out. Then you have to pry open those little cover rubbers of the big screws that hold the hard drive to this metal chassis. And then it's 4 of those. So 1, 2 on that side, and 2 more on this side. So once those come off, then the hard drive is going to be here like this. Peel off the little foil here, and then gently lift and jimmy out the hard drive out of this metal shield. That's about it. Take it out, and then we can work with it and see kind of like what's wrong with it. So this customer from New York City says they plug it in, it hears it spinning, but it doesn't work. So we decided to remove the hard drive and work with it directly. Those hard drives, anything that is 10 terabyte or higher, they are helium based hard drives. As you can see here, they are helium sealed. This is the type of cover that is not easy to remove because it's soldered into place. So this is not something that it can be easily propped open. So we don't recommend messing around with it. We recommend sending it to a professional who is actually able to work with this. It's a very limited kind of service at this point in terms of working with the mechanics. But this is the stage we're in. Anyway, this is how you open this bad boy up. If you have any questions, comment. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and whatever else you would like to do. All right. Thanks so much.